Hey, it's Joe, and welcome back to Humanfluence. Have you ever wondered if there's more to reality than meets the eye? Today we're pulling back the curtain on a concept that challenges our very understanding of existence. The densities of consciousness. Imagine the universe as a multi-layered cake, where each layer represents a different level of awareness, a different reality altogether. These densities are the stages through which consciousness evolves, from the simplest forms of life to the most enlightened beings. At the very base of this cosmic structure is the first density, where consciousness begins its journey. It's a realm of the elements: earth, water, air, and fire. Here, awareness is in its most primitive form, just beginning to stir. Think of it as the universe's building blocks, laying the foundation for everything that follows. This is where the story of consciousness starts, with the raw forces of nature beginning to awaken. As we ascend to the second density, life begins to stir. Plants and animals emerge, moving towards the light, growing, adapting, and becoming aware of their environment. But here's the twist. These beings are not yet self-aware in the way we are. They're driven by instinct, by the pure will to survive. This stage is all about growth and the first flickers of consciousness beginning to realize there's more to existence. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The third density, the realm of human beings. This is where consciousness becomes self-aware, where we start asking the questions, who am I? Why am I here? It's a stage dominated by choices, particularly the choice between two paths: service to others or service to self. Every decision we make here has profound implications for our spiritual evolution, setting the stage for what comes next. Beyond the human experience lies the fourth density, a stage where the focus shifts from individual identity to collective consciousness. It's a realm of love and understanding, where beings start to perceive the interconnectedness of all life. Imagine a world where empathy and compassion are the driving forces, where the walls between individuals begin to dissolve, and unity becomes the guiding principle. Climbing higher, we reach the fifth density, the domain of wisdom. Here, beings are no longer just compassionate, they are wise. They've integrated lessons of love from the fourth density and now see the world through the lens of wisdom. This stage is about understanding the deeper truths of existence, balancing love with insight, and preparing for the even more profound stages that lie ahead. In the sixth density, love and wisdom are no longer separate concepts, they are fully integrated. Beings in this realm understand that true wisdom is rooted in love, and true love is guided by wisdom. This stage is about achieving a state of unity, where the self and the other are recognized as one. It's the final preparation before merging back into the infinite source, the one creator from which all consciousness springs. Finally, we arrive at the seventh density, the gateway to infinity. This is where all paths converge, where individual consciousness dissolves back into the infinite creator. It's the end of the journey, yet also a new beginning, a return to the source, a reunion with the divine essence that permeates all existence. So, why should we care about these densities of consciousness? Because they offer a roadmap for our own spiritual evolution. Understanding where we are on this journey can help us make more informed choices, align ourselves with higher principles, and ultimately fulfill our potential as conscious beings. Whether we're striving to master self-awareness in the third density or cultivate compassion in the fourth, each stage provides us with opportunities to grow, evolve, and contribute to the collective evolution of all life. The densities of consciousness aren't just abstract concepts, they're the stages of your journey, the roadmap to your spiritual destiny. And as you move through life, consider where you might be on this path. What lessons are you learning? What choices are you making, and how are they shaping your journey? At Humanfluence, I'm here to guide you through these mysteries, to help you navigate your path with greater awareness and understanding. So where do you see yourself in this grand scheme of things? And what will your next step be on this incredible journey of consciousness? Keep exploring, learning, and evolving, one density at a time. Humanfluence, out.